So how can you be confident? So there are certain things that you can do to be confident about your practice of Islam, about your adhering to the Sharia of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So part of that is for you to understand who Allah is and be able to explain it to others. That will make you not be shy about your religion or why do you have to pray and on all that sort of stuff, and you'll be able to relate it to people and be confident about your practice. Why I do it? Because I love Allah and this is what Allah loves. Simply. A lot of people, if you think about your colleagues, they might have a different look, or why are you growing your beard? And then you might say, oh, my wife loves the new style, or my girlfriend loves the new style, whatever. So they're so confident about talking about people and changing because they want to please either a particular person or their close friends.